Welcome, today we have MOTO E13 and we need to unlock FRP Google Lock. So there we have two test points and we need to short that pins, then short that two pins, then connect with USB cable to the PC and go to the SPRD and choose correct processor, and we go to the erase FRP. Connect the test point, plug the USB cable, and wait until process erasing FRP done. So now we can check the phone if it works. Let's test. Wait for the Android. Now we have to make the FRP everything work. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, until the next time.